You clicked on this video because you're looking for that one tip. The one tip nobody has told you about how to get better at rendering, modeling, animating, whatever you might be doing on whatever 3D software it is. I'll most likely put Blender in the title because that's what I use. So you probably use Blender too. Let's get right into this tip. This is kind of a long play, not really much of like a short, quick fix tip. It will change your life. It's just over a compounded period of time. Like you just slowly build your way up and you'll get so much better in the long term. So this is for all these fellas who are really about the 3D design world and you're really trying to do great things in the long term. Or if you just like making artwork and you want it to be better, and this will help you improve. Like it's helped me a lot, it will help you improve. Whatever artwork you're making that is in relation to real life, which most of it probably is in relation to real life, I highly suggest doing things that are gonna help you understand these real life concepts so that you can apply it, have it turn out epic. Your artwork will be astronomically better as long as you just apply this idea. Get out a notepad and just start writing down 20 ideas on things that you can do that will help you improve your artwork. Like things you can physically go do or learn about and experience so that your art can get better as a result of that. Like if you need to go to school to learn different things, you need to go watch YouTube videos, you need to talk to people, just do it. Write down these different ideas. Like, for example, I could make a list for myself and it's like, how can I make my art designs better on cars? I could be like, go to school to learn about cars, work somewhere to learn about cars, learn about cars, buy a car and work on it. You know what I mean? Make this huge list and don't stop until you have 20 things written down. You make that list, you'll be set. Just, keep it within reason. Don't do any crazy stuff because I'm not liable for anything that you do that's illegal or hurts anybody or yourself or causes any damages, you know what I mean? I take zero liability. I'm not liable for anything that you do. I am excited to see the stuff that you guys design. That'll be great. Something I like hearing some people write in the comments, they're like, thank you for this video, it's helped me. However, I haven't seen too many people link any artwork to me, which I would be really excited to see. If you can, please tag me in any Instagram posts, TikToks, YouTube videos that you make so I can see how this has helped you. Or if you just feel free to message me and send it to me, I'd be excited to see what you make. Life is art. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to see any of my art, check out my Instagram, TikTok, or just watch any other videos if you need help with anything else. If you want any tutorials, feel free to nag me in the comments. I got you. I will push something out for you if it's highly requested. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Feel free to like, subscribe if you will, and have a blessed day. Bye.